Well, hi there, my friend Erom here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, I will be doing my trading signals weekly report, or call it my Forex trading signals report, as well as my gold trading signals report for the week of Feb, from the 10th of February till the 14th of Feb. Now, we had a good week within the markets. It's not an excellent week, but once again, we are still overall, we are up in the account because that's what Forex trading is all about, or any trading for that matter. Commodities, forex doesn't matter, is you want to be up in your account. You don't want to lose money, my friend. Yes, you will have losing trades, and I do have losing trades. In actual fact, what I do is I've got this daily series that I run on my YouTube Shorts. So if you don't know what it is and what it's all about on my YouTube channel, just go under the tab that says Shorts, and I do a 30-day trading signals challenge. And for the next 30 days, I'm going to show you how we are growing the account on a consistent basis, because that's what forex trading is all about, or trading in that matters. You want to grow the account consistently over time. And obviously, you want to make more money in a week, in a month, and in 1 year than what your investment provider will give you. So I've got nothing against banks or hedge funds or anything of the sort. And in actual fact, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please pause this video, take some time, read that disclaimer. I'm no financial advisor. I'm not licensed of any sort. I'm literally just sharing my raw results with you. And I'll also share with you how you can become part of these trading signals should you want to. Now, let me do an in-depth analysis for you. As you can see on the top left-hand side, it is a real account. I'll actually show you, if this is the first time you're watching these videos, you can track along as to how we grow this account. It's the same account. I share everything with you, from winning trades to losing trades, and you see the account as it is. Now, firstly, let's start for this month, the entire month of Feb. I'm going to do a last month, will be for the month. It brings up the month of Feb. As you can see, if you want to look at the date, it starts on the 3rd of Feb 2025, scrolling all the way down to the bottom on the top left hand side, profit loss $51.20. So we are still $51 up in the account, which is a good thing. Like I said, my friend, we want to grow the account consistently over time, keeping compound interest in mind. Compound interest, I think it was Warren Buffett who said compound interest is like the eighth wonder of the world, that people don't realize and know what it is, and the effect it can have on your bank balance or on your investments, etc. So overall, $51.20. Let's quickly filter this down. Custom period, we're going to do it as from Monday, which was the 10th of Feb, till the 14th of Feb for the weekly analysis. Click OK. As you can see, that's the weekly analysis. We are still up $76.62 that we made for that week. Now, we had a wonderful win on the gold right here, and then we also had another losing trade on the gold that kind of took away some of those profits. Not sure why it's not reflecting under this week, or it might pull. No, it can't pull through to over next week, to the next week. But there was a losing trade on the gold as well. Here's another nice winning euro in NZD, another NZD USD, another AUD USD. We had a losing trade here. Let's see if I've got another losing trade. I just want to see, where is that gold? We made a bit of a loss on the gold. That took away some of the profits. But anyhow, not to matter. Let's quickly go to the overall trade account. As you can see, the current balance in my last video, I'm not sure if you remember, I said to you that by the time you watch my next video, I will have a different balance. Reason, I just deposited just over another $1,000 in the account, which is now sitting at $2,250. Reason for that, in actual fact, let's go back to the account history. I can show you the deposit amount. There's a $1,000.68 or $1,068.20. Reason for that is what I found. If I still want to grow the account as well as afford the trading signals, which I recommend, once again, there's no financial advice in this video. Should you decide to get started with these trading signals, I would highly recommend you start with a balance at least $2,000 if you can. If you have to do $1,000, it's fine. If you have to do $1,500 as an initial investment, that's also fine. But you want to grow the account and at the same time be able to afford the trading signals. So hence the reason for saying $2,000 for me personally is like the sweet spot, because then you grow the account and you pay for your forex signals, which is a good thing. Because if you don't have an exceptional month like we had last month, or especially the members, because I started very late. Like I mentioned in my previous video, on the top right hand side, you will be able to watch that video. I had an account growth of 2.5%. The group members had an account growth of nearly 20%. It was, I think, 19.44%. That is phenomenal, my friend. So if you have a month of like a 6% growth, let's call it a 6%, then you still have to pay for your signals. So let's quickly do a calculation. So let's say $2,000, you've got a plus 6% account growth, which is about $120. So $120, if you pay for the Forex as well as the gold signals, that's going to cost you about $99 per month, which means you are still overall up $21. Now that's working on a 6%, which is a very conservative growth. So you are still up $21 on the account. Now, like I said, and that's on $2,000, my friend, because like I said, that times 6% or plus two, yeah, it's $120 on a 6% account growth for $2,000. Now, if it was $1,000, that would have banked you $60 for the month. In actual fact, that's $60 minus $99. If you take both signals, gold and Forex, which I would highly recommend, then you would be in a negative of $39 because you have to pay for both. So you've got to find that sweet spot that works for you. But if you don't want to take both and you only want to take, for example, the gold signals or the Forex signals, then you would most obviously not have to pay that. Then your signals per month, I think it's like $55, if I'm not mistaken. And then you just got to find a way to do basically more than that. So let's quickly work on an account balance of $1,000. Last month they had a 19.44% growth. That leaves you with $388, less $99 for gold and signals, less 99. That leaves you still banked $289 for that month. So that's good, my friend. That's looking really, really good. Now, what I wanted to share with you as well, that was for the week. So these are all the winning trades for the week and losing trades. Let's go back to custom period, just make sure it's still the same. Let's say the 10th till the 14th. Okay, let's just make sure it pulls it through. Okay, there we go. Same. And there's the gold. We had a nice winning trade on the gold. Then we had the GBP USD, which you'll see these minor rebates because that's the account that I'm on. So I get a certain amount of commission that I pay per month, I get back. That's a perk of having one of the larger or basically the top account that a Forex broker has to offer. If you are not an institution, institutions, they get different accounts. Euro NZD, a nice winning trade. Okay, that's just a rebate and a rebate. NZD USD, another winning trade. Then we had an AUD USD, another winning trade. NZD JPY. Here was a losing trade, $62, another losing trade. Oh, that's just the swaps that we have to pay. Then we had a Euro GBP, Euro. Let's quickly, these are, oh, here's another one, USD CAD, $33 loss, Euro GBP, $25 loss, and then GBP USD is just rebates and swaps and things we have to pay. So, and then a few trades that are currently active and open. Here's one, which is on the Euro Australian dollar. Currently, it is in a negative, of which we are hoping to get to that take profit one zone right there. In actual fact, then it's setting up another trade, but not necessarily to say that I will be taking the specific trade because it does not go with my rules. Now, keeping in mind with these trading signals, from time to time, I will also place my own trade. I used to trade Forex myself physically, manually for many, many years. So there's still a few things, and I'm still involved in the market. So if I see a good opportunity, I take the opportunity. If it ends in a profit, it ends in a profit. If it ends in a loss, it ends in a loss. That's Forex trading, my friend. That's the game. Euro GBP, nothing. Euro NZD, we've got another one on the, yes, another one. This is a daily. This is more of a swing trade. This one's been setting up for quite some time. It meets all my rules, my conditions. So I'm extremely happy for this one. So let's see what it's going to do. I'd like to see how it's going to end. But like I said, this is a daily one, my friend. So this is quite of a bit of a bigger time frame trade. And in actual fact, yes, there is a trend line involved. It currently broke that trend line, but I'm still not too concerned, even if it does break the trend line, because my take profits and everything is exactly what I want it to be. But overall, if you look at the daily so far, we are currently in a downwards trend. So scrolling back, as you can see, we made higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, a new structure high because there's no any structures to the left at this point in time. And then we started coming down, and then at this initial point right here, we put in a new, so this is basically just a higher low, and then we put in a new structure low, a higher low, a lower low, and then the market did a bit of a swing back and a pullback, of which is setting up a very nice pattern for me. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this one's going to do, seeing that we are kind of in a downwards trend at the moment. So next we have a trade going on the GBP CAD, of which it's currently in a profit. So let's see, we are aiming for this position right here. Stop losses are right here. So that would leave us with an initial, no, don't do that now. Okay, there we go. Don't want to do that. I just want to, it's way easier on trading view. But if we take that as a risk, we've got about a one, so let's call it a one to roughly a nearly a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that one's looking really good. And then we have another trade, I think it's on the NZD-JPY. Yeah, here's another one that is setting up for me, which is my personal trade. So this one and the GBP-USD will be my personal trades. Yes, let's see how it goes. So far, this one as well, this meets all my conditions. I'm happy for this one. Um, Only thing that's a bit of a concern on the weekly chart, which is a massive swing trade, we are in an upwards direction, as you can see, an upwards trend. And then in actual fact, on the daily, we are on a downwards trend, and we are actually below the 200 EMA, exponential moving average. So it meets some of my rules. It actually put in a new lower low right there. It broke this previous support zone, and it's currently now forming a bit of a resistance. But I want to see if it can push all the way up to this zone right here, and then I'm looking to short the position on the H4. So then I'm also have a look at my stochastics. There's certain things that I want to see here, and I also want to look at what the candles are doing. If there's a candlestick pattern or a formation, candlestick formation that's happening here. So let's see, my friend. That's it basically for the week. And if you want to know how to get access to these trading signals, let me quickly share that with you. What you can do is you can just head over to Empire Digest Trading Signals right here. I'll leave it in the link, the first link in the description below this video. I'll bring you over to this page where you can physically follow along. It's 3 easy and simple steps, my friend, to get you all set up. You can see this page has already got 21 shares of members, individuals like yourself watching this video, sharing this page with friends and family because they're interested in this forex trading, my friend. And I've got a few members that's already involved in this, that's already taking action on these trading signals. And then step 1, step 2, step 3, then step 4, which is a bonus, showing you how to set it all up. And then if you want to track my account growth, as you can see results, you can track my account growth live. It's a live account growth. We can actually open it up and you can see right here, this is how the account's been performing so far. Like I said, we've got a few trades coming up this week. Overall, it's showing at let's quickly see when it was last updated. It updated on the 14th of Feb at around 54 minutes past 8. So let's see. I think it's not pulling through all of the trades, but let's see so far for the first month, like I said, overall 2.5% up. So far, 0.63 negative at this point in time, which this is not accurate yet. This will actually sit in a positive. So far, yes, I'm happy. It's growing overall. Like I said, you can track the performance if you want to. And if you want to get started, the first link in the description below this video. And if you enjoyed this type of content, my friend, firstly, give this video a like. I'd really appreciate that. And then drop me a comment. If you've got any questions, there's anything that you would like to know, just drop me a comment. In actual fact, if you also want to ask any questions or talk to community members or anything like that on this specific page, you can actually scroll all the way to the bottom and you can drop a comment. Like I said, Errol, this is my own comment that I put here to say, get started and introduce yourself. Yeah. So you can even drop a comment right here so other members can see your comments. You can do that, or you can drop it below this YouTube video. So, my friend, thank you for your time. I appreciate you. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside, being involved with the trading signals. Once again, there's no guarantees, my friend, and only invest and trade with money that you can afford to lose. Not yet you're going to lose it. And I'm not saying that you're going to be profitable long term. Once again, I'm just sharing my honest results with you, the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm trading, and you can track along. If it's of interest to you, then you can get started by clicking the link in the description below this video. If not, it's entirely up to you. You can just track along for the journey, or You can track along this journey if you want to, and you can also watch the YouTube short 30-day trading signals challenge, and then we'll take it from there. My friend, thank you watching this. Thank you for watching this video. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, financially successful, healthy life. Just be blessed with everything good and wonderful. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.